fix Minecraft keeps crashing? 6 simple steps. 1. Restart your computer. 2. Install the latest game patches. 3. Update your graphics card driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 4. Stop overclocking your CPU. 5. Configure the correct settings. 5.1 Turn off VBOs in your Minecraft settings. Path, Settings Video Settings. 5.2 Turn off VBOs in your Minecraft file, options.txt at %of.a%\minecraft folder. 6. Repair your system files via system file check and dism.exe. Commands include sfc/scanodism/online/cleanup image/scan health dism/online/cleanup image/check health dism/online/cleanup image/restore health.